In this video, we're going to give you an overview of how to use the map projection dialog to change the projection of your map. If you're not familiar with projections in GIS or dealing with maps, I would invite you to read the Wikipedia article about it online, as it'll give you a basic understanding of when you would use map projections and what the purpose of it's for. But inside the Map Suite GIS Editor, if you want to switch your map projection, you can do that by coming up here on the ribbon bar and clicking the Map Projection dialog. This dialog brings up two tabs, one for common projections and one for other projections. So what we've tried to do here is put the common projections that are used a lot in the marketplace and make it easy for people to switch back and forth between those projections or to set their map accordingly. So you can see here in our drop-down box we have longitude and latitude, Google Maps, Bing Maps, OpenStreetMaps, those all use the same type of projection, and then state plane, which is popular in the United States, and then UTM. So for example, if you wanted to switch this map of the world I have displayed here to match how it would look in Google, you can just come in here and choose that projection, hit OK. And now you'll notice that the map has changed greatly, where you have Greenland as a much larger surface, and we're using a different projection altogether. Anytime you want to change the projection of the map, you can come in here and just change these properties. Down here we have our projection string. The GIS editor is actually using Proj4 for reprojecting all of the layers, and so this is the Proj4 string that is created from choosing these various drop downs and properties. Now sometimes you may be dealing with local projections or custom projections or even obscure projections, and that's when you'd want to come over here to the Other Projections tab, and we have a built-in list of, I think it's probably several thousand different projections, and you can look for them both by EPSG number, by the SRI number, or you can always do a custom and load from a file as well. We have a find feature here, so you can easily just type in some keywords and that'll bring in some of the projections as well. And if you know the actual Proj4 string, you can paste that in here too, and that will apply it as well. So there's lots of different options for setting your projections, and the Map Suite GIS Editor can support virtually any projection in the world. So if you do have some problems in finding the right projection or getting it to apply, please let us know by posting on our discussion forums, or you can also check out a very good resource online called spatialreference.org, and that's a good resource for looking at projection information. Thank you.